For years, I've wanted to attend the Christmas Regatta on the Intercoastal Waterway held at Little River, South Carolina. Well, this year I got to do that, and me and Kathy really enjoyed it. Here are a couple of our friends that dressed up as superheroes on their boat. The boats put a lot of lights on, they dressed up as characters, and we had a great time.
Open your eyes and look around. So many new things to be found. I know a place where you can go, where there's no one to tell you yes or no. If you just look into your heart, you will find there. That's the place to start. If you take a step and take another again, you'll find.
Hey guys, before we get started, this is Tony. I'd like to remind everybody to please subscribe. It helps Kathy and I to keep these videos going. So get your popcorn, sit back, and get ready to enjoy the 2023 Christmas Regatta in Little River, South Carolina.
God, that's so pretty. That's beautiful.
It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth.
My phone takes the worst pictures at night.
Our weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh,
That's pretty, isn't it?
Freedom boats there.
Freedom Boat Day.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Woo! Woo! Merry Christmas! That's the one that's from here, where we saw it from the so it's had all people's dressed up.
Yeah.
Woo! Merry Christmas! Ho ho ho! I like that. Merry Christmas! Woo! Woo! Merry Christmas!
That looks like a car.
Woo! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Woohoo! Merry Christmas! Look at this one.
Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo! Merry Christmas! Woohoo! Look at the pontoon.
Uh-huh. Gilligan's Island.
Oh, Lord.
That's cute.
Woo!
Look, they all out there dancing. Look.
Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo!
Look at the next one. There's a sleigh of reindeers.
Woo! Woo!
I love it.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Woo!
That took a lot right there.
Woo! Merry Christmas!
What are the chances it's December? The cold winds blowing through the mistletoe. Stockings are floating above the fireplace.
Woo!
But here's the thing about Christmas. They say it don't mean nothing unless you got somebody else to share it with. But I love this Christmas. And
Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo!
have my own kind of special holiday.
Woo!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, John!
He said happy holidays. Oh, Merry Christmas.
But I'm fine.
Oh, look at that.
Merry Christmas! Woo!
Alone.
I love it.
Now the jingle all jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Oh, look at that
One foot of snow, one
Wow.
foot of snow, and I decided to go.
Uh-oh! Oh no! Hit the breaker! Quick, hit the brake! Somebody plug in the cord!
Oh no.
Woo!
Look at, hey look, the inflatable's going down too.
Oh no.
Oh no, the inflatable's deflating. Poor thing.
Woo! Plug the lights back in!
Look at this.
Why, yeah! Yeah! Woo-hoo!
The inflatable's going back up more.
I'll be okay.
Woo! Merry Christmas!
Special holiday.
That's pretty.
Think I'd be blue.
Woohoo! Merry Christmas!
But I'm fine under
Yep, the same thing. If they 50 on it.
Yeah.
We'll go take a ride.
Woohoo!
Look at this one. Look at this one and dancing in the room.
Oh, that's
Merry Christmas!
That's sneaky.
Yeah.
Woo! Merry Christmas!
I think you'd be getting crying all night long for Christmas.
We kicked it in now.
I'll be okay.
Woo!
I'll have a whole kind of special holiday.
No, no.
You
Jump off the
think
top.
I'd be blue.
Woo! Merry Christmas!
But I'm fine under the color lights you up on. You alone.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
You alone. Like Christmas time.
What's that nigga got pulled over? That's probably the fireboat. Yeah, that's what it is. Merry Christmas! Woo! 22?
Where's Doug?
I think he got one.
You said that's 23?
That's what it says on the book. See it?
Oh, I hope he didn't break down.
No,
Or is this him? No.
no, that's a cross.
Oh, yeah, they are.
Yeah, they just got it. Look, that's got a car. Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo! Oh yeah! I give him a oh yeah.
On the pedal. Is that digging in?
No. I don't think. Could be. Oh, I can't tell on the windshield. Oh yeah, I believe it is him. It's got the Christmas tree on the front. Yeah, he's got the Christmas tree on the front. 22, that's him. Woo! Way to go, Doug! It's the Amy Bell! Hey, Doug! Amy! Woo! Woo-hoo! Superheroes! Woo! That's home, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, they're right up here. They are, it's the Superman, Wonder Woman.
Oh. Grinch.
Yeah, Captain America, the Grinch. Yeah, they're in the movie.
Yeah, he one of them owns this sailboat right here across from us. He owns that sailboat right there across from us. Woo! Merry Christmas!
Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul found its way. A thrill of hope.
Oh yeah. He gives it big dollars. Woo! Merry Christmas! That's a paddle boat. Woo!
Paddle pub. Oh my goodness.
Christmas!
when pride
Woo!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Poppy's dream. Oh my God. Oh Lord. I can't even think this thing up. Woo! Merry Christmas!
Oh, they're blowing out snow.
Woo! They're blowing
Y'all
snow
see them
out.
blowing snow on the back?
Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo!
Truly taught us to love one another.
Woo! Merry Christmas!
God is love, and His gospel is peace.
Cricket Cove! We see you!
Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo!
Snookies! We see you, Snookies! Cricket Cove!
Woo! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, all you Cricket Cove people! Merry Christmas to everybody at Cricket Cove! Oh, look at that. That's cute.
Merry Christmas! Woohoo! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Woo! Woo-hoo! Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo!
Looks like a flail.
Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo!
Merry Christmas! Cricket Cove!
Yee-hee!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Here's you!
Woo! Woo! Yay! Cricket Cove welcomes you.
Go Grinch!
Woohoo! Woo!
Go Grinch! You guys have a Merry Christmas!
You too. Merry Christmas.
Thank you for coming out, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
This is so cool.
That's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
This candy cane is pretty. Yeah, we got the little bit over here. Woo! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo! Woo! That's Barbie.
Oh, it is Barbie.
Merry Christmas, Barbie! Woo!
The time is so, the weather's
Merry Christmas!
Another year is starting fading.
Good day. Oh my goodness.
And as the world just keeps
Whoa.
on turning,
There we go.
I just wanna take a moment to remind
Wow.
you of one thing.
Merry Christmas! Woo! There could be another one bigger than that behind the Merry Christmas! Woo!
And I don't need a Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas! Woo!
You could take every gift, and I would still be good.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Just ain't
Have a
Christmas
holly
without
jolly Christmas. And in case you didn't hear, oh my God, we have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Oh, look, they
Oh
still
my God, we have a holly
Yeah, it's another one bigger than this one.
Christmas this year.
night away and fall in love all over again. Maybe we should slow down, slow down.
Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Oh, they got it. Merry Christmas!
I'll be doing alright with your Christmas for the wall.
Right through there.
Oh, yeah.
Yellow light.
Yeah, it might be a casino. It looks like one of the casino boats. Woo! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Woo!
All the carols are playing. Silver bells
I don't know.
Some of them are. Some of them are. That right there, I believe, is one of the casino boats. And because there's two casino boats up there, and then there's a couple of charter boats. Yeah. And some of these came from that one, so when we was walking at the restaurant, so I don't know exactly where they came from.
I don't need falling snow, and I don't need a Christmas.
Looks like it.
I don't need a mistletoe, lots of fancy things. You can take every gift, and I will still be good. Oh, my Christmas just ain't Christmas without you.
Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo! Oh, that's one of the paddle ones. Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Merry Christmas! Yeah. That's a barefoot landing, man. Merry Christmas!
That's beautiful.
Yeah. That's a barefoot queen for barefoot landing. Woo! Shit. Look at how many lights this is on. How would you like to find a light bulb? Yeah. Oh no. Woo! Merry Christmas! Woo! Woo! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Woo! Look at the fish. And make it jump right there. Or it might be just, no, it may be just, that looks like a bunch of fish. I guess it's just right. Woo! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! I guess that's just the water. I thought it was looked like it was jumping, like shad was coming to the top, but it's not. It's just the way the moon reflected off of it. Woo! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Woo! That's the Boy Scout, yeah.